So this is a 7th grade worksheet for lesson 25, and I'll be covering it. So in the first one, if you read it, it gives you k minus 25% k, and it's asking for like which also represents this value. So what you have to do is you have to convert this 25% to a decimal by doing 25 divided by 100, which gets you 0.25. Then you do 1k minus 0.25k, and that gets you 0.75k. So the answer is A. Number 2, which expression is equivalent? N is increased by 200%. So here we want to convert this 200% to a decimal. So you do 200 over 100. And that equals 2. So you do n plus 2n. And that gets you 3n. So the answer is B. Same thing for this one. It's asking for which expression also represents it. And here's our expression. 4t plus 8c. And to do this, we have 4t plus 8c. Let's find a common factor, and the common factor would be 4. So you take a 4 out of both, so you do 4 divided by 4 here, and 8 divided by 4 here. So 4 divided by 4, that's 1. And then 8 divided by 4 is 2, so you get 2c. You put in parentheses 4. So the answer should be C. Okay. A 6-pack of soda costs $12.90. What is the price of one bottle? So what you have to do is you take the total price and you divide it by 6, because there's 6 in it. So you should get, yeah, because this becomes, here's the work for it, like for long division, so the answer should be A. And write 0.16 as a fraction in lowest terms. So you have 0.16, so first, since it's in the hundreds place right there, you just put over 100. Then you simplify it. What is a common factor in between them? And that would be, I think the greatest one would be, I think it's 4. Yeah, 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So the answer is C. A car builds 83 cars each day. About how many cars will the factory build in 28 days? So here you just do 83 times 28, and if you do it, you should get, right, 83 times 28, you should get 2,324. Oops. Oh wait, I wrote it wrong. So the answer is 2,324. But here it says about, so we're trying to estimate it. So instead, we're going to take these two numbers and round it. So 83, what does that round to? It's like the nearest tenth. That rounds to 80. 28 rounds to 30. And then you multiply them together, and you should get like 2,000 here, but let's choose a closer answer, so the answer is C. So yeah, try these ones on your own. I'll give you the answer. 7 is B, 8 is C, and 9 is D. Try them on your own and see if you get those answers. Simplify the expression exponent form. So here we have 5 to the power of 6 divided by 5 to the power of 2. And this is really simple. When you're given a division problem and they have the same base, here's the base, 5 is the base, and if they have same bases, you just look at the exponent and you just do the math there. So you have 5 to the 6th power divided by 5 to the 2nd power, same base, so you just do 6 minus 2. You just take the exponents and you subtract them when you're dividing. So 6 minus 2, that's 4. And then you put the same base. Same thing for number 2. You have 2 to the 11th divided by 2 to the 6th. Same base, so 11 minus 6, that equals 2 to the 5th. Same thing for here. 3 to the 9th divided by 3 to the 5th. 9 minus 5 equals 3 to the 4th. Try 4 through 7 on your own if you can get it. Actually, I'll try 4. You can do 5 to... So, you have negative 6 parentheses 8 divided by negative 6 to the 5th. Same thing. They have the same bases, which is negative 6. So you do 8 minus 5 is negative 6. Make sure you put the parentheses to the 3rd power. Now try 5 through 7 on your own. So the answer for 5 is negative 4 to the 3rd, and then negative 12 to the 6th. And this one should just be 1. So yeah.